Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, this is DIY craft videos signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful, these are very stunning, these are very classy ideas for your home decor. These are most beautiful denim flower centerpieces decoration ideas for your home decor. So viewers, thank you so much guys for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. I am glad to see you all guys. These are very pretty, these are very unique and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas. You guys also watch different and amazing craft videos on my channel about different craft videos like sewing craft, button craft, budget friendly old denim jeans craft, and so on. So viewers, always take care guys, always be happy. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. So follow for more details. If you want different craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. And you guys also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Allah Hafiz.